Hey guys, it's Mr. B and welcome back to the Mr. B Reads series. This is the series where I read you some of my favourite picture books, funny voices, and all. Today's story is all about friendship between two very different animals. Today we're going to be reading Yeti and the Bird. So, let's get started, shall we? Yeti and the Bird by Nadia Shireen. Deep in the forest, there lived a Yeti. He was the biggest, the hairiest, the scariest beast anyone had ever seen. So everyone left him alone. But the Yeti was lonely. And then one day, poof, something landed on his head. It was a bird. Squawk, 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 squawk. And this little bird didn't seem scared of Yeti at all. Squawk, 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 squawk. Not one bit. Instead, the bird told Yeti all about her journey. She seemed to think she had landed on a hot tropical island for the winter. Said Yeti. And sure enough, when the bird looked for sunshine and palm trees, there weren't any. She was lost. The bird stopped bouncing and chirping. Yeti wasn't really sure what to do with the sad little creature. After a while, he decided to pick up the bird and take her home. The next day, the forest woke to a peculiar sight. Yeti and the bird were playing. And Yeti was laughing with a hearty roar nobody had heard before. Every evening, the friends sang sweet, sad songs together, which soothed the forest to sleep. Yeti wished the bird could stay forever. But it was getting colder, and he knew that soon his small friend would need to fly away. So Yeti carefully examined the bird's map and found out where she needed to go. Then he made sure she was packed and ready for the long journey ahead. Yeti sighed. Without the bird, he was even lonelier than before. Until some new friends came out to play. And deep in the forest, there lives a Yeti with all of his friends. And every now and then, the bird pops by to say hello. Squawk, squawk! The end. Hi guys, thank you for listening to my rendition of Yeti and the Bird. Please support the official release and tune in next time for our next story. Take care.